What are the common mistakes in solving two-step equations? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle and missing a piece because you skipped a step or made a small mistake. That's what happens when solving two-step equations. Many learners stumble over similar errors, but knowing what to watch out for can make solving these equations much easier. One common mistake is not doing the same thing on both sides of the equation. If you add or subtract something on one side, you must do it on the other side too. Forgetting this can make your answer incorrect because the equation no longer stays balanced. Another mistake is misapplying the distributive property. When an equation has parentheses, you need to multiply the outside number by each term inside. Sometimes students forget to do this or multiply incorrectly, which throws off the whole solution. Combining like terms can also cause trouble. When you have variables and numbers together, you need to pay close attention to signs. Overlooking a negative sign or mixing addition and subtraction can change the entire answer. It is also easy to forget the order of operations. When solving, you should undo the last operation first. For example, if the original equation has multiplication and addition, you should reverse the process carefully to avoid mistakes. Confusing variables and constants is another problem. Coefficients are the numbers multiplying the variables, and constants are just numbers. Mixing these up can lead to applying the wrong operation or solving for the wrong thing. Using the wrong operation to isolate the variable is a common slip-up. For example, students might add when they should subtract or multiply when they should divide. Picking the wrong operation can give you an incorrect solution. Rushing through the problem or skipping steps is a mistake many make. Not writing down intermediate steps or trying to do everything in one go can cause errors. Taking your time and checking each step helps prevent this. Finally, many learners forget to check their solutions. Substituting the answer back into the original equation confirms if it is correct. Skipping this step might mean missing simple mistakes. To avoid these errors, always remember to do the same thing on both sides, carefully apply the distributive property, pay attention to signs, follow the order of operations, and clearly identify variables and constants. Write each step out and double-check your work by plugging your answer back into the original equation. When you keep these tips in mind, solving two-step equations becomes much more straightforward and less frustrating.